Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can airdrop something from your Apple device to Android. So at the start sadly there is no way to send something by the airdrop feature to Android device, but I'm going to show you the other way. We have to open the Play Store and in the Play Store look for the Send Anywhere app. After that install it on both devices and launch it. Now just choose the files that you want to send by tapping the finger on it. You can choose the photos, videos, contacts. And the files, of course. You can see now we have 6 items selected, and there we have everything like files, contacts, videos, photos. So just tap on the send and choose receive on the Android device. Type the number from the iPhone and click receive. And hold for starting automatically, and now we have all the files on the Android device. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.